Hello everyone. Right, join me on a quick video today, and we are going to change the air filter on the Citroen ZX, and that, if you can see, is the apparent part number. I've gone for the Bosch local motor place, is where I got it from. It's the engine bay of the Citroen. 19 beast. Right, so we'll get this camera set up so you can see, and then I'm going to change this. It's fairly straightforward. I reckon I can do it without any tools, so what I did there, guys. These little clips, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Just undone them. First time I've ever looked in here, so wish me luck. There we go. So put that to one side. It's stuck. I've seen worse. Not bad. Got a leaf in there. Bit like that. Tell you what, it's not too bad in there, is it? Right, so let's get the other one. The new one popped in, and we'll put these clips back on, and she's good to go. Again, that's the old one. New one. Okay. It's the same on the top and the bottom, as you can see. So, as I was saying, it's the same, different colour. It's in there nicely. Sort of only goes on one way, which is there. Just put the clips back on. Right, that's it. Fitted. Not too bad. There's the old one. You can get rid of that. There we go. Right, we'll just fire her up and make sure that everything's okay. But otherwise, not bad. The part was about £10 from a local parts place. Easy peasy. There we have it, guys. Apart from the belt squeal, she's old, she's good. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.